In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Temu location. Now, the first thing you want to do here, you want to sign into your account, and then you want to click on where it says hello and then your name, so click up here. And then from here on the left-hand side, you'll see kind of a menu, and then one of these menus is country/region and language. So click on that, and then from here to actually change your region or your location, you simply have to click on this drop-down menu where it says country/region, and you have to basically find the location you would like to swap to. So for example, if I look for United Kingdom over here, I can click on it and it's going to say, do you want to shop in? And then the country. After switching, you'll need to register or sign in again. So this will basically sign you out. And then over here also, item availability, prices, shipping fees, and taxes may change if you change your location. And if you're sure, simply click on switch to and then the country. And when you do that, it's going to switch over and you'll be prompted to basically sign in again. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.